What's up, everybody? Welcome to Park Mazda.
Hi, everybody.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Park Mazda. It's me, Mr. Aaron Lowe. Got my boy Chris R. And we're doing another ride and drive today. We got a brand new 2023 Mazda CX-5 Sport Design.
Yeah.
So like the new CX-5. It's beautiful. Tell us about it, Chris R.
Yeah, new with the sport design. It's just kind of a nice like aesthetic package, right? So they kind of made a few things look really, really good. Personally, it's my favorite package in the whole lineup. I just like how
for sure.
I just like how the outside looks when you go with the sport design option.
For sure. Like you got the black cladding.
It's glossy.
Glossy,
Yeah.
Nice and glossy instead of that plasticky look.
Yeah. The headliner's
black headliner, yeah.
The grill's a little different, has like a little bit of like a red accent in there.
That's right, it does.
Looks really sharp. It just looks like a really sharp looking car overall.
Yeah. I like the changes to the headlights and the taillights. Those are very welcome.
Yeah, those are cool. Yeah.
I quite like them. Everything else with the interior.
Almost like a fake, like, I don't know what to call this.
It's not even carbon fiber. It's like a honeycomb.
Yeah, it's like not carbon fiber, but it's just supposed to be almost like a textured look. It's nice. It kind of hides any scratches or dust pretty nice. It looks more like, I don't know, sportier, but it looks good.
Yeah, I like it. It's a good looking whip. All right, so we're gonna take it out for a little spin.
Let's go.
You can see the differences in how it drives. There is a slight difference for the turbo variant. Instead of 250 horsepower, we're up to 256 now. You still get 320 pound-feet of torque, which is a lot.
Yeah.
You could tow what, 2,000 pounds? Is it 2,000?
I think
so.
2,500 with the turbo.
Okay. I mean, it's
nothing to like, nothing to brag about, but if you have a small little trailer or something, definitely.
Or a couple toys.
Yeah, like it can do
some Sea-Doos or snowmobiles.
Yeah.
Be perfect. So the GT no longer comes with a turbo engine. You got to get the Sport Design to get the turbo.
Yeah.
But you can still get the 2.5 liter with the cylinder deactivation for the Sport Design.
Yeah.
Feel that? Just feel that like.
I'm in sport mode
just
right
reset,
now,
and you're in the sport mode, eh?
We are, yeah.
Look at that.
We're sport moded.
That's a nice all-wheel drive.
That rev, it's revving at 3,500 RPM the whole time.
Okay.
This is nice. It's fun.
Give it a little gas, see what happens here.
Can you believe we're in an SUV?
I know, right? I mean, it's comfortable too. The ride is comfortable, and you're taking this thing like all over the road, and I'm still.
That's that GVC Plus.
Yeah, G Vector Control Plus, baby.
Yeah.
Keeps the driver and the passenger
pretty like just centered. Yeah.
Centered.
As the car is moving around, it just allows the driver to have less movement and also less steering correction, like micro adjustments. So it just makes the drive more pleasant or smooth, like for like the individual. And
it does that by transferring torque to each wheel,
opposing side,
independently based on the conditions and how you're turning and the speed you're going.
Yeah,
that's very cool.
It's awesome. It gets won awards for that.
Yeah. Okay, so interior changes, nothing really crazy.
We got the screens.
We got the screen.
New. Yeah, the screen's new,
which is
with the 22s and up.
Right, which is a very nice welcome.
Yeah, and now you get that mobile app standard with all of these 23s.
The Mazda connected services. Yeah,
that's a big deal.
And you get the remote start for 2 years too. Mobile remote start.
Mobile remote start.
You can lock and unlock your doors. You can adjust the thermostat.
Headlights. You can turn the headlights on.
Headlights. Yeah. You got like it's got the GPS on there too, so you know where you parked.
Yep. It can also have service reminders, so it can actually notify you on your phone when you're due for a service.
Beauty.
It's awesome. It's a really good app, and they give you the first 2 years of it for free, which is huge.
Huge.
It drives really good, man. I always kind of forget how nice the drive is on these things.
Oh man, the handling is very nice.
Yeah, so like right away, handles really well.
The Mazdas they handle so well. How's it handle?
It's awesome.
All Mazdas handle superb. Yeah, they just handle superb. The handling is just fantastic. It's superb, some would say.
Stupendous.
Stupendous. I'm surprised with the redesign. And again, I know we're going to talk about our qualms, things we like the best, the usual kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But I'm hitting the qualm right away.
What is it?
They redesigned the exterior, give you some new headlights and taillights. They take the fog lights out, which is okay because of the LEDs.
Yeah.
They got new LED halos. Everything is new in that aspect. You got the body design is relatively the same, but there's still like a couple little variations because it is just called a redesign. They got the new screen in here with the new infotainment. I don't know why they didn't pop the new steering wheel in.
Oh.
The new HMI commander.
You know what? I will say I really wish they updated the HMI commander to like the new ones.
Yeah.
But you know, they didn't. So
It is
it's the
what
one
it
that you're
is.
familiar with. So it is like it's not like it's your having to get used to it or anything. It's still the same one. It's just it's not like the Mazda 3 and CX-30.
One of the other nice things they've gotten here is the MyDrive.
Yeah,
The Mazda Intelligent Drive
it kind of
system.
makes it like you can actually use it now because like they have sport mode, normal, or off road.
Yeah.
And it all changes the RPMs and how this thing will handle, like not handle, but like react when you're stepping on the pedal.
Yeah.
So it's actually kind of cool. When you're in sport mode, I can actually feel that it's revving high, and it's holding that rev, that gear change. It growls a little louder too.
It does, yeah. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Especially just for the non-turbo.
Yeah. No, it's really cool. Gives you a cool illustration. Like it shows red, and then as you move your way down, neutral, and then like a earth tone.
Kind of a yellowy.
Yeah. So
Yellowy
it
brown.
actually, before when it was just simple like sport mode or not, it kind of, I don't know. In my opinion, it didn't really do a whole lot for the vehicle. In this M Drive,
My Drive.
My Drive, M Drive, My Drive, Me Drive.
Me Drive?
Yeah, well, you know, it depends on how you want to say it.
Okay.
It just gives you more versatility in it, and to me, it shows more with how it responds with your RPMs. Like it's more like distinguished.
Okay. Very cool. I like that.
Yeah, another good upgrade that they did that. How's the passenger doing for you?
Oh, it's great. It's comfy.
Yeah.
You know, you got the six-way. Is it six-way? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Six-way passenger.
Yep.
No lumbar, unfortunately, but you know, you don't need all that. I do like the leather, the black leather with the red stitching.
The red stitching, that's part of the sport design.
Yeah, especially if you get the because you got the little red emblem on the front there.
Yeah, it looks good.
So we did a CX-50 video not too long ago,
Yeah.
and we're back in a CX-5.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to note some of the bigger differences between the two. The CX-50, you get a little bit more ground clearance.
Yeah.
Because it is that, you know,
More off-roady.
off-roady, adventurous SUV.
Yeah.
The CX-5, still a good amount of ground clearance. It is an SUV after all, but you get a little bit more with the CX-50. The CX-5 has a little bit more headroom,
Yeah. Yeah.
especially in the back.
Yeah. For you tall guys.
Yeah,
I'm sure
for
you
us,
can tell.
for us tall guys, for sure. Okay, what do you like the best?
I mean, okay, besides the handling, I love,
Which is superb.
which is the best. I like the exterior look of the sport
Yeah.
design. I think when you're walking the lot and you look at like a sport design versus a non-sport design, even a signature, I really like how the sport design looks. I think it looks really good. So I that's my favorite thing about what they've done with the new lineup.
Yep.
Is that trim package.
I completely agree with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Other than the handling, the exterior changes they made for the 2022 and the 2023 that we're in today, they look great.
They look really good.
They
yeah.
look really, really good. The CX-5 looks a little bit more refined. I like, especially with the sport design, I like the black wheels, the black cladding around the wheels, and the base of the car. Are the mirrors black too?
No.
Fold them in.
Yeah.
They're black? They look black.
Yeah, they are black.
They are black?
Yeah.
All right. So the mirrors too. The black mirrors look fantastic on it.
Yeah, it's the glossy blacks, so it matches the cladding perimeter.
Yeah.
So just all kind of just ties in nice. It looks really cool.
Yeah. So yeah, I guess that's it for me. Do you have a qualm? What's your qualm?
You know, you kind of said it, and I do agree. I just kind of wish since they updated like the infotainment, I wish they would have updated the HDMI to the new version.
HMI.
It's an HDMI.
No, HDMI.
Yeah, it's a cord.
It's a cable input output.
I like how they updated the.
sound.
I like how they updated the infotainment.
Yeah.
I do wish they would have upgraded the HMI commander.
Yes.
Just to the new one. I think it wouldn't have been that big of a deal.
Mm-hmm.
But they didn't. So it's still there. It's not like this one is bad. I just think the new one looks a little better.
Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, that's it, I guess. Okay. Thanks very much for watching this video, everybody. Please be sure to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell for all of the updates and everything that we have on YouTube. As far as, you know, we've got vehicle walkarounds going up every single day. We got ride and drives like this going up. So be sure to check those out. You can also stay tuned to all of our other social media channels at Park Mazda. That's on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Other than that, yeah, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. We appreciate your business. We hope to see you very soon.
Bye.